Hello class and welcome to Module 1. I wanted to give you guys a rundown of what we are going to be doing. So you are here. So here in the resources, these are your chapters in your textbook. So you can read through these about confidence, about the vocal delivery skills, physical delivery skills, tips on memorization, overcoming anxiety, all of that. This is what we are focusing on for this module. So your assignments for this week, you have two. You're going to be giving your first speech and your first discussion. Let's look at your first discussion. So you have 4 questions. I want you to answer them separately. So number 1, number 2, do not give just one paragraph. So you're going to have to say number 1 and read through it. Number 2, you need to give a minimum of 6 sentences each, and then you're going to respond to your peers a minimum of, what does it say here? 4 to 6 sentences. So make sure that you are giving original answers. Do not just say, I agree, great post. So here's what won't count. I agree, sentence 1. Great post, sentence 2. I look forward to working with you. Have a great summer. 0 credit. I will not give you credit for that. Okay, so make sure that you are actually contributing to your peers' discussion. Okay, so that is your first example. Your first assignment after in this module is this right here. So make sure that you are using proper grammar. So I do not give just one long paragraph. Use punctuation, proper capitalization, things like that. So I'm not going to nitpick grammar, but I do expect, this is college, so I do expect you to put forth college effort into your grammar. Then you're going to post your intro speech. Let's talk about that. So it is not a typed assignment. You have to answer these questions right here. Make sure you answer the questions about Western. I'm required to make you answer those. You don't have to devote a lot of time. I don't need a list of classes. You can sum up those answers very quickly. And if you're not on campus, just answer them as if you were going to be here on campus. So you could say your plans here at Western. If you don't have much plans, just say my plans are only to take this class. That's easy. I'm not majoring in anything here, and the only classes I'm taking are this class. So if that's your answer, that's your answer. And then it says your organizations that you find interesting or events you would attend. Look through our college catalog and look through everything and say, well, I'm not a student there. If I was there, I would attend X, Y, and Z. So don't overthink that. Just briefly answer those questions. I don't care how you organize it. I don't care how you write it. This is a get your feet wet type assignment. So make sure if you haven't watched the course overview video, that gives you a rundown on how to do your speech. So just a reminder, to have an audience of 4, you have to hit 1 to 2 minutes. Let's talk about how you need to dress. I do not expect you to dress up, but you cannot dress down. You can't just wear your sweatpants and be barefoot in an oversized hoodie. You are your presentation, so you have to look the part. So you will have to have a level of effort into your appearance when you give your speeches. So again, I'm not going to ask you to dress up, but just don't roll out of bed looking like you didn't put forth any effort into your presentation. And so there's the directions all right here, and post it to YouTube. Make sure you change it to public. Do not do a YouTube short. Let me say that again. Do not use a YouTube short. I will ask you to redo it. They don't play right, and so just do not do a YouTube short. So if you have any questions, let me know, but just make sure you're reading through here and post it and then respond to your peers. You have to do that as well. So, don't be generic, really give some feedback. So if you have any questions about this assignment, let me know, but don't be nervous, and have fun on your first speech.